Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by verifying the PDF is machine readable. If it's a scanned image, run OCR first so the AI can access text. Once done, pick an AI service that imports PDFs and supports both your source and target languages. Sign in and grant upload permission. Then upload or drag the PDF, choose the source language and the target language, and toggle OCR or searchable PDF mode when prompted. This ensures the AI will read and translate actual text rather than images. Next, set how you want the translation to behave: literal for exact terms, fluent for natural flow, or localized for cultural adjustments. Add any glossary entries so key terms stay consistent. Then decide whether to translate the whole PDF at once or in chunks. Chunking helps with long files and reduces hallucination risks. Make sure to preserve layout by selecting an export mode that keeps original formatting, or export plain text if you plan to reflow and style the content manually later. Finally, proofread the translated PDF. Focus on idioms, numbers, dates, and any legal or technical terms because AI can mistranslate them. Once satisfied, export as a PDF to keep layout or as docx if you need further edits. Choose SRT if you extracted subtitles. If something went wrong, troubleshoot by rerunning OCR, increasing chunk overlap, or switching AI model or settings. Make sure to reapply any glossary entries. A quick bilingual pass will catch subtle errors before you finalize the file.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.